Okay, wow. Welcome back to the channel, and the crypto market is roaring back out of nowhere. We were on live earlier this evening, earlier today, depending on where you are in the world, and we were talking about the market slowly coming back, and all of a sudden, altcoins, Bitcoin, everything is firing on all cylinders at once. And this is the crypto market. So if you're new to the crypto space, be aware. It's going to be very volatile pretty much all the time. So when we swing 5%, 6% up and down, it's completely normal here in this crypto crazy sphere. All right, so Bitcoin right now pushing very, very close to 50K. And we cover Bitcoin anytime we talk about any cryptocurrency, just about, because it is so important. It makes up a little bit less than half of the overall market. Everything seems to follow in Bitcoin's footsteps. Now we got to 49,970. Yeah, we stopped $30 short of 50K, but Bitcoin's still running up right now. This is technically the first hour or two here with the markets opening up. Everything is turning green here. As you can see above my head up on the side panel, pretty much everything turning to the upside right now. We're going to talk about SHIB and where it could be heading this week. I promise we're going to get there. Let's take a look at Ethereum, though, real quick. You can see a similar story. And I want to show you an altcoin, one to watch. Put this one on your radar. And I'm not saying go get this right now, but Avalanche is 25% up. It's number 20 now on the big board. It has made some huge, huge gains. In the past week, Avalanche is up 170% here in the 7-day AVAX. And I'm going to have to do a deep dive into this and cover this a little bit more detail. All right, we're going to get into SHIB here just in a minute. Just as a reminder, we've got the supporter and insider level down below in the description if you want to become a private community. We've gained about 10 more community members over the weekend, and they are now in the insider club. And welcome to the conversation, all of our new Discord members and people who've been there for a long time. It's been a great ride, and I can't wait to continue to have great conversations with everybody. All right, so this is the big story that we're waiting on, right? Well, if it'll pop up, there we go. The countdown is on. SHIB is now in beta testing. Webull, get ready. New cryptocurrency coming soon. Will we hear something this week on SHIB? That is the question. Here's what I think is going to happen. I think we get some kind of update from Webull this week. I think that they're going to play the eToro game, right? And at least tweet once every other day, if not every day, leading up to them listing it, because they know the SHIB army is here. They're going to be loud. They're going to retweet something 2,000 times. It's going to push. It's going to push the envelope a little bit and let their voice be a little bit louder. And everybody wants more Twitter followers, especially crypto exchanges, right? So I think they're going to continue to do that. And I also think that Webull's an interesting ad because it is more geared toward the stock side of things. And I think you're going to have people kind of dabble into crypto more as all of these exchanges, you know, whether it be something like Webull or Voyager or, you know, what have you, dip their toes into the crypto waters a little bit deeper. So I think Webull will be a nice little catalyst for SHIB. We'll go over and take a look at the price here because SHIB is moving up a little bit. Oh, yeah, I can't be remiss here real quick. Cardano has set new all-time highs again. 285 now is the all-time high on ADA. Just crazy stuff. But real quick, so SHIB is pumping nicely here too. We're getting some nice green candlesticks back up to the 8.2 level. We'll take a look at some of the technicals here in just a minute. But I think on a Webull listing, we can get close to knocking out a zero. I wouldn't be shocked if we got back up to the 0.95 range. Leading up to a Webull listing, especially if the market is green. I think a Webull listing actually could help us chomp a zero. I wouldn't be shocked at all. I think if a Coinbase, detail is dropped that it's coming to Coinbase soon, I think we're chomping a zero on that news. If y'all remember what happened when they said they were going to list it on Coinbase, we had a huge pump in the price that they're going to list it on Coinbase. Huge pump. And then it came back down after they said delayed, right? So it's already on Coinbase Institutional. That we know. That's a good sign, showing that why wouldn't they add it to the retail side of things? And I think it's going to be a big week. And I really think September is the month for SHIB where we really get comfortable in a new in a new place in terms of the price by Xing off that 0 and putting a 1 there. I really think September could be a big month for us, along with the entire market, right? But you know, SHIB right now, it's relatively quiet in terms of other projects, other events, right? But I think the overall market, the way it's moving right now, is going to be the major catalyst, along with these exchanges. Now, here's what I'll be watching very closely over the next several weeks and into the next several months is Google search traffic. Because when we saw SHIB at its highest peak, it was crazy Google search traffic. Now, the timing of all of that was, you know, obviously a lot of people missed out on Dogecoin and they were looking up Doge and they found SHIB, and obviously Binance listing SHIB was a big catalyst and why SHIB, you know, had the meteoric rise that it did. But if this market gets back ripping and roaring, you watch that Google search traffic. We're going to be paying close attention to it because people are going to be looking into crypto that they can afford to add to, especially people new to the space. And SHIB, you know, SHIB and other assets like it that are very cheap are going to be very, very appealing to these types of investors. So I think we have some built-in catalyst, essentially is what I'm saying, that is just going to come with the market that is, you know, I think firmly in a bull run right now. And then I think we also have those potential catalysts after Webull, which we know is coming soon. Those potential catalyst, Robinhood and Coinbase. I know we talk about them all the time, but those are big. And of course, we do have SHIB listed now in other places, so keep that in mind, right? SHIB is now listed on eToro and Voyager, Crypto.com, soon to be Webull. So when the market starts ripping and roaring, many people can stumble upon SHIB where they already trade. Okay, so keep that in mind. And I think we're heading in the right direction. There's no question about it. I'm looking forward to where we're going to be next week. And let's take a look at the technicals real quick before we get up on out of here. And SHIB still ready to buy here in the daily, strong buy on the moving averages. Now let's dial it back here to go to the 4 hour. Okay, same thing, still on the strong buy there. Oh, actually we moved to the buy instead of strong buy on moving averages, but still an overall buy. 2 hour, okay, we're back into the neutral. 1 hour, still in the neutral. Okay, 30 minutes, though, we head back into the positive direction. 15 minutes, we're in the buy. 5 minutes in the buy. 1 minute in the sell. That's just a 1 minute. Of course, that's for day traders, right? But this will be interesting to watch. It is selling off just a hair here, along with some other big assets. Bitcoin did not get to 50K yet, and it's selling off just a little bit. We'll see if we get another big surge. We're going to get to 50K per Bitcoin this week. I am very confident in saying that. I'll be shocked if we don't. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks so much for stopping by earlier on the live stream. We had a lot of fun. Go back and watch the rewind. You could rewind the live stream and get up to speed on all of the golden nuggets that were dropped during that live stream. And appreciate all your support out there. Patreon page, link down in the description if you want to join our private community. Take care. Have a great week. Let's get started. Another crazy week in crypto. Let's do it. Peace.